Hi, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Today we're having a look at the Vodafone Tab Prime 6. Massive thank you to Vodafone for sending me this great device. So today we're going to have a look at sound and vision on this tablet. So for sound and vision, I'm jumping into Google Play Store here. So we're going to jump into movies and TV shows. And I did see a great film on here recently just watched. This is The Expendables 3. So I'm going to play you the trailer here.
Great to have you back. No better place to be. It can't be. We were close once. We started this whole Expendables thing together, but we had a falling out. What are you gonna do? Reload. Welcome to the 21st century. I could do that. Want to slip on a dress and give it a shot? This is it? This is your team? Short notice. Yeah, very short. The hell is that? Hey, Barney. You should have killed me while you had the chance. You want the kids? Come get them. You were stupid enough to get yourself into this space. We're the only ones crazy enough to get you out of it. Couldn't take the stairs? How hard can it be to kill 10 men? Insane. Courageous, but insane. These guys are nuts.
So that's a great film there. Only one disappointing thing about this tablet is that the speaker is on the reverse side and it is here. It's downward facing, so it does make it quite small there. I hope you can see this in the low light. It does make it quite small, which is a shame. But turning back round, looking at the tablet. Okay, so jumping into music now. We're going to listen to some tracks. Okay, so for music, we're going to listen to some of the tracks I've got here for free.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass.
Just turn it up and down so you can hear. With the 3.5 jack, it is a lot better through headphones. But the headphone slot is up here on the top with your charger. Okay, that's a bit of Mega Trainer. So also we got Uptown Funk here. So sound and vision on the Vodafone Tab Prime 6. It's really good. The screen quality is really good. The sound is a little bit of a letdown there with that downward facing speaker, but otherwise the tablet is absolutely fantastic and I've enjoyed using it to watch movies and TVs on. I've watched a couple of movies on this and I've watched a couple of episodes of Doctor Who. I'm a big fan of Doctor Who. So listening through headphones for me is a preferred to listen to music. I've been using Beats, I've been using Apple, I've used Samsung's. And I've just used some basic headphones and they all sound really good. Of course, the bigger priced brands will work slightly better, but make sure you go and check it out. Thanks always for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe. Please give a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.